Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi Q8. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle for the system to detect it. Next, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, locate the engine start/stop button, typically found near the gear selector, and press it. Your Audi Q8 should now start smoothly, ready for your journey. This process is designed for both convenience and security. If your Audi Q8 isn't starting and displays a key not detected message, don't worry. First, check your key fob battery. A low battery is a common cause. If that doesn't work, place the key fob in the designated backup slot, often found in the center console or a cup holder. This allows the car to read the key's signal directly. Then, try pressing the start/stop button again. For a consistent start, always confirm your Audi Q8's transmission is securely in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety interlock. When starting, avoid pressing the accelerator pedal, as modern vehicles don't require it and it can sometimes interfere with the starting sequence. Pay attention to any unusual engine sounds during startup, such as grinding or weak cranking, which could indicate a deeper issue. If your Audi Q8 still isn't starting, you might need to check the vehicle's main battery charge, as a dead battery is a frequent culprit. For more detailed troubleshooting or persistent issues, always consult your owner's manual. It provides specific guidance for various situations. If you're looking to improve your financial well-being, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for a link to that book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.